Hello everyone. Today I want to tell you at least 3 temptations that you must forget when you get married. There must be 3 terrible temptations that will come across you. What will give you victory in this your marriage is if you can be able to overcome this temptation as a woman. 3 temptations. If you can be able to win, you know, now I be saying you don't take first. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, depending on the time the post will get to you. And I will just tell you to share the posts. Share this is a very important one. Number 1 temptation that we must get in marriage. Number 1 is temptation of everyday being with your husband. Well, the first time a woman got married, you know, some women don't even know what is this marriage. Every day the man expects you. That's, you see, especially when you marry a young man, a man of 20 something years, 28, 29, 30, the man need you on that bed every day. Or if he miss, maybe he just miss twice a week. That man need you. This is a temptation that comes to women when they got married. That same woman that every day your mother in the house is telling you, come back home, don't follow John, don't follow James, leave them. And that one will say, these people love me. He will enter motor, he will go to a club, he will go to this. Today, you have reached the time for that woman to continue this on bed. But let me tell you, it will be a very big challenge. That challenge is what we call temptation. Very 3 good temptation that must come to you. First of all, you did it today. You must have it today. You must be with your husband today. You must be with your husband on the bed today. Tomorrow you must do it. It is a big temptation that comes to women. Because women, what women love most, they love petting, they love romancing, they love kissing. But when it comes to that, women don't really rush to, especially when they are young. So you see, it is a temptation. But every woman have to overcome this temptation. Why? By telling yourself, this is why I'm in marriage. Accept that man anytime. No matter the situation, no matter the area, no matter how the man behave, no matter how the man call you, accept that man on that bed. Yes, the man don't know how to pet me. The man don't know how to do this one. The man don't know this and that. Yes, all this one is right. But it is when you accept him that you can teach him that. The man don't know how to do it to me. The man don't do it. It is when you accept him that you must, before you be able to say all this. Accept him. Daddy call you today for you. Today come. Yes, ma. Tomorrow, I still want you. Come. Yes, ma. I want it 2 times today. Yes, sir. I want it 3 times today. Yes, sir. Women should learn this. This is a challenge, and every woman have to do it. Then number 2 challenges that comes to a woman once you get married is how to respect the man. A lot of women don't know how to say yes. They, even in their family, maybe before they obey the man, before they obey that man, their father, they will pet them. And in this place, this man will just talk to you without you petting you. But you have no choice. You have to do what? Obey. Number 3 is that